Hello dear students. Question 4th of exercise 4.3. The sum of reciprocals of Rahman's is 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. Find the present age. बेटे इस क्वेश्चन में हमें रहमान की एज जो 3 साल पहले और आज से 5 साल बाद की एज का अगर हम रेसिप्रोकल लेकर सम लेते हैं that is equal to 1/3. We have to find the present age. Let the Rahman's present age is x years. Then 3 years ago Rahman's age means we have to find the Rahman's age 3 years ago means we have to subtract 3 years from the Rahman's present age means x minus 3. And now 5 years from now Rahman's age, then we will add 5 to Rahman's present age. Then Rahman's 5 years from now Rahman's age is x plus 5. According to question we are given that reciprocal of both is taking the reciprocal of x minus 3 that is 1 by x minus 3 plus we are given the sum of reciprocal of Rahman's is 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. So firstly we take the reciprocal of both ages, then sum it, and sum of both ages equal to 1/3. Now solve this question by taking LCM. Now taking LCM x minus 3 x plus 5. X minus 3 cut x minus 3, so we left with the only term x plus 5. So write down x plus 5 plus, now x plus 5 cancels, we have only term x minus 3 multiplied by 1, so our answer is x minus 3. X plus 5 plus x minus 3 upon, multiply both binomials. Firstly break one binomial, x is multiplied by x plus 5, then minus 3 is multiplied by x plus 5, like this. Now x plus x 2x, 5 minus 3 2. Here x is multiplied by x square, then x is multiplied by 5x, minus 3x minus 15 equal to 1/3. Now 5x minus 3x write down as 2x. Now by cross multiply x plus x square plus 2x minus 15, 3 is multiplied by each term, 6x plus 6, and both terms shift to left side by changing their sign. Now we have quadratic equation x square minus 4x minus 21 equal to 0, which is quadratic in x. So compare with the ax square plus bx plus equal to c equal to 0. Here a is coefficient of x square is 1, b is coefficient of x is minus 4, c is constant term is minus 21. So find the firstly b square minus 4ac. b is minus 4 whole square, 4a is 1, c is minus 21. Now minus 4 whole square means minus 4 is multiplied by minus 4, that is 16. 4 1 is 4, multiplied by 21, that is 40, 84, 100, which is greater than 0. So find the value of x. X is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Minus b is minus 4 plus minus value of b square minus 4ac is 100 upon 2a, a is 1, plus 4 root of 100, square root of 100 is 10. Now for finding the value of x, firstly we take the sign positive signs, then we take the negative signs. So x is equal to 4 plus 10 upon 2 and 4 minus 10 upon 2, 14/2 and minus 6/2, that is 7 and minus 3. X has two values, one is 7 and minus 3. So we have to find the age of Rahman's. So minus 3 value is rejected because age cannot be negative. So consider only value of x is 7. So Rahman's age is 7 years. In a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in 2 subjects. Now, let's Shefali's marks in mathematics is X. We are given sum of their marks in mathematics and English is 30. So, if in maths her marks is X, then Shefali's marks in English is 30 minus X, because we are given that sum of both maths and English marks is 30. Now, according to first condition, we are given that if 2 marks more in mathematics, firstly marks in maths is X, 2 marks more in maths means we have to add 2 in X. Now, new marks are X plus 2 in mathematics and 3 marks less in English. So, we have to subtract 3 from the English marks. 30 minus X are English marks. Now, subtract 3 from English marks. New marks in English are 27 minus X. And we are given that product of both marks is 210. Product of both marks is 210. So, multiply both binomials. So, always break one binomial. X is multiplied by 27 minus X. Similarly, 2 is multiplied by 27 minus X equal to 210. X is multiplied by 27, 20x, 7x minus x square plus 54 minus 2x equal to 210. Now, minus x square, 27x minus 2x, that is 25x plus 54, left side, shift into left side by changing their sign and make the equation equal to 0, minus x square plus 25x minus 156 equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation in variable x. So, compared with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 equation and find the value of a, b and c. Now, a is minus 1, b is 25, c is minus 156. So, find b square minus 4ac. 25 square minus 4, a is minus 1, c is minus 156. 25 square means 25 multiplied by 25, that is 625. Multiply 3 terms and that is 624. We have 3 minus sign, so take the sign minus. Minus minus plus, we are left with only sign minus. That is 1. 1 is greater than 0. Now, substitute the value of a, b and c in this formula. Minus 25, root of 1 is 1. Plus minus 1 upon minus 2. Now, find the value of x. X is equal to minus 25 plus 1 upon 2 minus 2 and minus 25 minus 1 upon minus 2. That minus 24 upon minus 2 and minus 26 upon minus 2. That is 12 and 13. We have two values of x. One is 12 and 13. So case 1, when x is 13, Shefali's marks in mathematics, that is x. So in maths, her marks is 13. Then Shefali's marks in English is 13. 30 minus 13, that is 17. Case 2, when her marks in mathematics are 12. Now case 2. If Shefali's marks in mathematics are 12, then Shefali's marks in English are 30 minus 12, that is 18. Hence, Shefali's marks in two subjects are either 13 and 17 or 12 and 18. Thank you.